Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some isopropyl alcohol with a lint-free cloth for cleaning purposes. Now, let's dive into the steps to address BIOS issues on your HP EliteBook 840G5. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if possible. This step is crucial as it ensures your safety and prevents any accidental short circuits while working on the device. If you're unsure about the battery removal process, refer to your user manual. After securing your laptop, locate the screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove each screw, placing them in a safe location. Remember, it's essential to keep track of which screws belong where, as different screws may have varying lengths. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off the laptop. You may need to use a plastic prying tool to avoid damaging the casing. Now, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. If you notice any buildup, use your lint-free cloth dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean the areas around the fan and vents. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Next, locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. This small battery is crucial for maintaining BIOS settings. If your laptop is experiencing issues, it might be beneficial to reset the CMOS. To do this, carefully disconnect the battery for about 5 minutes before reconnecting it. This simple reset can often resolve BIOS-related issues. After reconnecting the CMOS battery, replace the back panel of the laptop, ensuring everything fits snugly. Secure it in place by replacing all screws you previously removed. This ensures that your laptop is both secure and protected. Now, reconnect the power source and turn on your laptop. If the BIOS issue persists, consider performing a hard reset by holding down the power button for 15 seconds. This can sometimes clear up lingering issues. If you encounter further complications or feel unsure at any step, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you without any pressure, ensuring you feel comfortable with the process. Once you've checked the BIOS settings, you can also update the BIOS if needed. Visit the HP support website, enter your laptop model, and download the latest BIOS version. Follow the provided instructions to execute the updates safely. If you don't have the tools or feel hesitant about tackling this on your own, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service is designed for your convenience, allowing you to avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Plus, we'll give you a quote before any repair starts, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Finally, once everything is complete, perform a final check to ensure that your laptop powers up correctly and that the BIOS settings are functioning as intended. Regular maintenance and checks can help prevent future issues, so keep your laptop clean and updated regularly. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Your HP EliteBook 840G5 deserves the best care possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.